Hello, my dear students, and welcome back. I know, exams are just around the corner, but there's no need to worry. Today, we're going to do our revision with a fun little story. Let's make math exciting, shall we? Look at this. We're joining our friends Gopal and Dara for their Raksha Bandhan party. It looks so festive. They're super excited, and you know what? Through their story, we are going to uncover some awesome math magic that's going to make you a superstar in your exams. All right, first up, Dara has a very important job. She's making these beautiful Rakhis for everyone in the family, and guess what? We're going to help her out. Now, look closely at this lovely Rakhi. To make just one of these, Dara needs exactly 4 shiny beads. Got it? 4 beads for 1 Rakhi. Simple enough, right? But hold on. The family is big. She actually needs to make 5 Rakhis. So here's a question for all my brilliant students. How many beads will she need in total? Give it a quick thought. Well, one way we could figure this out is to just add them up, right? 4 for the first Rakhi, plus 4 for the second, plus 4 for the third, and on and on. If we add 4 5 times, we get 20. It definitely works, but feels a little long, doesn't it? You know, this method of adding the same number again and again has a special name. It's called repeated addition. But for smart students of you, there's a shortcut, a super fast, kinda magical way to get the answer. And that, my dears, is called multiplication. So instead of that long addition, we can just say 5 Rakhis, and each one needs 4 beads. We just write it as 5 times 4, which equals 20. See? So much quicker, so much easier. You get the exact same answer in a flash.
Okay, the Rakhis are all ready. Now the whole family has gone outside to play a game, and this game is going to show us another really fun way to master our multiplication tables. Come on, let's go join them. Wow, look at this. They've drawn a number track right on the ground. Dara is playing a game called skip jumping. She starts at 0, then, boing, she jumps to 3, then to 6, then to 9. Can you see the pattern here? She's skipping by 3s every single time. Okay, so here's a little challenge for you. She's already made 3 jumps. If she takes just one more jump, her 4th jump, where do you think she's going to land? What number comes next? Let's break it down together. Her first jump is 1 times 3, which is 3. Her second jump is 2 times 3, which is 6. Third jump, 3 times 3, is 9. So her 4th jump has to be 4 times 3, which is 12. Yes, I knew you'd get it. You see? This is exactly how multiplication tables work. Every jump is just the next step in the 3 times table. It's kind of like learning the steps to a trending Instagram dance, you know? Once you get the pattern, you can just keep going. So much more fun than just trying to memorize everything, right? Okay, we've learned the magic. We've played the game. Now let's see how this multiplication helps us solve problems we see in the real world. This is the part that makes math so useful. Let's start with something we see on the roads every single day, an auto rickshaw. And how many wheels does one auto rickshaw have? Come on, easy one. That's right, 3 wheels. Keep that number 3 in your head. Now for the puzzle. Imagine you see a whole line of 18 auto rickshaws, all parked together. How would you figure out the total number of wheels they all have? You're not going to count them one by one, are you? No way! We use our multiplication magic. We know one auto has 3 wheels. So for 18 autos, we just have to multiply 18 by 3. And the answer is 54. Array wah! In just a few seconds, we know there are 54 wheels in total. See? Fantastic! All right, now for a puzzle that's a little bit trickier. Our friend Dhruv has collected 112 beautiful seashells. He wants to make a necklace for each of his 3 friends, and every necklace needs 28 shells. So the big question is, will he have enough? Let's find out. What do you say? This looks like a division puzzle, which can sometimes feel a bit scary. But don't you worry. Just remember, division is just the opposite of multiplication. It's like doing multiplication in reverse. We can solve this by just taking away 28 shells for each necklace. Okay,
Let's do this step by step. He starts with 112 shells. He makes the first necklace, so he has 84 left. He makes the second one, now he has 56. And after the third necklace, he still has 28 shells remaining. So yes, he definitely has enough for his 3 friends, and he even has enough left to make one more for himself.
You guys are doing so well. I think you are totally ready for a quickfire round. This will get your brains all warmed up for the exam. Let's see how fast you are. Ready? Let's go.
First question. One spider has 8 legs. If you suddenly see 5 spiders, how many legs is that in total? Quick, quick, quick.
That's 5 times 8, which is 40! 40 legs! I knew you'd get it that fast. Brilliant.
Okay, next one. A division puzzle. You have 30 yummy cookies, and you want to share them equally among 5 children. How many cookies does each lucky child get? Think about it. What number, when you multiply it by 5, gives you 30?
The answer is 6, of course. Each child gets 6 cookies. See? I told you, you are a math genius. You have perfectly understood multiplication and division. I am so, so proud of you. Keep this confidence, okay? Practice a little more and you will do wonderfully in your exams. All the very best, Beta. You're going to be absolutely amazing.